Feel more confident by changing your body language. Not all of us feel confident in social situations. In fact, recent polls show 2 out of 3 people have experienced some kind of social anxiety. Unfortunately, the world is full of social situations in every aspect of your work and personal life. While you can't always change your need to engage with the people around you, you can change how you feel about it. In fact, through some attention to your body language, you can feel more confident the next time you sit down with someone else. Here's how. Start at the handshake. Not too hard, not too soft, but somewhere in the middle will serve you perfectly. Don't be afraid to practice this beforehand with someone you trust to give you an honest opinion. Put the focus on them. From the moment you shake hands, you should be practicing good eye contact. Meet their eyes at the handshake and keep them there, especially when you're making a point or asking a question. The rule of thumb? Look them in the eye about 60% of the time. While it feels intimidating at first, you'll be amazed at how your own confidence levels rise when you do. Lean into the conversation. By leaning towards someone when they talk, you convey interest. You also find the added side benefit of hearing them better in crowded social situations, so it's a win all around. Are you slouching? Different polls have shown that anywhere from 50 to 80% of people have bad posture. This is not only unhealthy for your back and even your digestion, but gives the impression you're disinterested, bored, or disengaged. Draw yourself up and stand tall and proud. A confident posture will go a long way toward boosting your confidence and the confidence placed in you by those you converse with. Keep your head up. Keeping your head down, your face turned away, or hiding behind your hair are traits of someone who's trying to hide. It's time to come out in the open by putting your chin up and being proud of who you are. Don't get handsy. Fidgeting with things or burying your hands in your pockets are both signs of nervousness. Keep your hands in the open, palms up, making slow, natural movements as you speak. This will calm you down and leave you feeling more in control. Walk like you mean it. Come into a room slowly with big steps. Confidence blooms with a confident walk. By paying attention to each of these 7 things, you'll find you feel more in control of the situation. You'll be able to relax and focus on the enjoyment that comes of truly connecting with someone else. In the end, you'll feel less anxious in social situations in general, leaving you one of the lucky few who never experiences social anxiety at all.